Hi.
I'm not joking. It works. There's been creams, there's
So
been
handsome.
Nothing works like this. Plexiderm is highly
I like to see your face and not your butt.
crow's feet, under eye bags, and more
Yeah, I
in just
know.
10 minutes. Try
You hear
Plexiderm for
Curtis.
$14.95 this
You
4th of
hear
July.
Curtis.
Get free shipping
He's
or
watering the
online at
lawn, but it's
plexidermtown.com or call the number
okay.
on the screen. Hi, I'm Tony Hafford from TC
You're so
Hafford
close to
Basement
me.
Systems, the all things basement company. Basement waterproofing, basement structural
Yeah,
repair,
such a
and
love. Oh,
and
such
nasty
a
crawl spaces
love.
too. Since
Oh, up.
1991, over 15,000
You got my face with your tail.
trusted
It's
TC
okay,
Hafford
honey.
Basement Systems to help fix their basements.
It's just
Call TC
Curtis.
Hafford Basement Systems
He's
today.
watering.
All things basement-y.
It's okay. What? It's all right. He's just on the steps. It's all good. It's all good.
This is a 6-3 ruling, and the High Court here saying that the Environmental Protection Agency, the EPA, does not have the authority.
You're blurry, buddy.
From power plants. But
You're very handsome.
The decision has far-reaching implications. We spoke with a Northeastern lawyer, law professor, who says that this can have real impacts for several other federal agencies that regulate some high-profile policies. So when it comes to food safety, when it comes to Title IX discriminations on the basis of sex,
so
when it comes
pretty.
to the administration's announced
Such
plans
pretty.
to expand
Very
protections for
handsome.
LGBTQ
You're the
students, for
handsomest.
instance, we're going to see
You're the
challenges
handsomest.
on this front based on
It's
today's
okay.
decision about
He's just watering.
Professor Mize says there are
Oh,
cases right
so
now
handsome.
in the court on these very issues of
So
discrimination that the Supreme Court could
handsome.
consider.
So handsome.
Justices sided with President Biden on a key immigration policy here. The court clearing the way to end the Trump-era program designed to restrict immigration at the southern border. So the policy required people arriving at the southern border seeking asylum in the U.S. to wait in Mexico while their cases were being processed. Tens of thousands of people were returned to Mexico, resulting in 10 cities stopping along the border.
Everything is good. Everything is good.
And almost 2 dozen hospitalizations. 2 people who got sick are actually from Massachusetts. The CDC says nearly all of the 23 cases
He's a love.
He's a traveled to Florida about a month before getting sick. One person from Illinois died, and a pregnant woman lost
Just don't smack my face with your tail.
Says it has not identified the
Okay, I'm sorry.
bacteria, but it is asking for people to be alert
Oh,
to you see on your screen: fever, muscle aches, nausea, and diarrhea.
he's beautiful. Hey, handsome. Hi, handsome boy. Hey, handsome boy. Handsome boy. Oh, oh, so handsome. Oh, thank you. You're such a love. You're such a love. If you're wondering what's on my thumb, it's just a Band-Aid. Oh, you're such a love. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. All right. I like you hanging out here. Oop. You're such a wiggle worm. Wiggle worm. He keeps smacking my face with his tail. Say bye. Oh. Oh, maybe we can get your purr. Where's the speaker in this thing?
1 o'clock, we're already there. In between 1 and 3, that's when we expect temps to be about 95
He
degrees.
keeps hearing Curtis outside.
Very toasty through this evening, and it turns humid. Today's high in Boston, 95.
He's so funny.
95 for Hartford, 90 degrees Bennington.
All right, bye.